Welcome to Wonderslate. Buy smart eBooks from the best publishers. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell.
Topic for today's quiz is Weavers, Iron Smelters and Factory Owners. Question number 1. Cloth had a large market in Europe. Option A. Chintz. Option B. Patola. Option C. Jamdani. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is Option A. Chintz. Question number 2. The Europeans started using the term chintz, derived from the Hindi word Chhint. What is the meaning of a Chhint? Option A. A weaver. Option B. A cloth made of silk. Option C. A cloth with small and colorful flowery designs. Option D. An order ready to be shipped to Britain. The correct answer is Option C. A cloth with small and colorful flowery designs. Question number 3. Women and men who carried basket loads of iron ore on their heads were called. Option A. Woods. Option B. Agariya. Option C. Bandana. Option D. Causes. The correct answer is Option B. Agariya. Question number 4. In which place in present-day Iraq did the European traders first encountered fine cotton from India carried by Arab merchants? Option A. Basra. Option B. Mosul. Option C. Tikrit. Option D. Baghdad. The correct answer is Option B. Mosul. Question number 5. In which century did the India's textile industry decline? Option A. 17th century. Option B. 18th century. Option C. 19th century. Option D. 20th century. The correct answer is Option C. 19th century. Question number 6. Around 1750, before British conquered Bengal, India was by far the world's largest producer of this. Which one of the following options will replace the term this here? Option A. Cotton textiles. Option B. Cement. Option C. Paper. Option D. Coffee. The correct answer is Option A. Cotton textiles. Question number 7. TISCO expanded steel production during the Option A. First World War. Option B. Second World War. Option C. Third World War. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is Option A. First World War. Question number 8. Mechanized production of which textiles made Britain the foremost industrial nation in the 19th century? Option A. Cotton. Option B. Silk. Option C. Mining. Option D. Chemical. The correct answer is Option A. Cotton. Question number 9. Portuguese first came to India in search of Option A. Cotton. Option B. Spices. Option C. Steel. Option D. Muslin. The correct answer is Option B. Spices. Question number 10. Name the person who invented spinning jenny. Option A. Andrew K. Option B. Thomas K. Option C. James K. Option D. John K. The correct answer is Option D. John K. Question number 11. What things did Portuguese take back to Europe? Option A. Steel. Option B. Sugar. Option C. Cotton textile. Option D. Coffee. The correct answer is Option C. Cotton textile. Question number 12. Bandana is derived from the word bandhan. Which one would be the most appropriate meaning of the word bandana? Option A. Any bright colored dress. Option B. A shirt. Option C. A woolen shawl. Option D. A bright colored scarf for the neck or head. The correct answer is Option D. A bright colored scarf for the neck or head. Question number 13. Tipu Sultan's sword was made of Option A. stainless steel. Option B, woods. Option C, silver. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option B, woods. Question number 14. Among the following, which place in Uttar Pradesh was the important center of Jamdani weaving? Option A, Kanpur. Option B, Shillong. Option C, Dhaka. Option D, Lucknow. The correct answer is option D, Lucknow. Question number 15. Which of the following was not the name of Indian textile? Option A, Chintz. Option B, Gauze. Option C, Calico. Option D, Agaria. The correct answer is option D, Agaria. Question number 16. From where did the English word chintz derive from? Option A, texture. Option B, Chhint. Option C, China. Option D, consistency. The correct answer is option B, Chhint. Question number 17. Michael Faraday spent 4 years in studying. Option A, the property of Indian steel. Option B, the ancient Indian culture. Option C, the properties of Indian woods. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option C, the properties of Indian woods. Question number 18. Name the machine that increased the productivity of the traditional spindles in textile industry. Option A, spinning engine. Option B, flying shuttle. Option C, steam engine. Option D, spinning jenny. The correct answer is option D, spinning jenny. Question number 19. Which place in India had one of the finest stores in the world? Option A, Raniganj. Option B, Jharia. Option C, Rajhara Hills. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option C, Rajhara Hills. Question number 20. Among the following, which place in Bengal was the important center of Jamdani weaving? Option A, Chittagong. Option B, Shillong. Option C, Lucknow. Option D, Dhaka. The correct answer is option D, Dhaka. Thank you for watching the video. If you'd like practice this quiz, then download the Wonderslate app now. Link in the description below. If you have any suggestion for us, feel free to leave comments. If you liked the video and want to see more of it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to click on subscribe button to get more updates of the future videos.